Do not attempt to adjust the picture. We are controlling transmission. We will control all that you see and hear.
What should I do? Should I remind you that I've done this before? What should I do? Should I tell you how much fun we had?
And the number one pick, LeBron James.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have been warned, and this whole LeBron James decision means absolutely nothing.
And why?
It's because your priorities
Wanna
are
see my shiny
wrong.
new shoes?
It's because you let that
Shoes?
idiot
Shiny
box,
shoes?
the television, program you since the days that your mother and father set you in front of the TV for 12 hours a day in your crap-filled diapers.
This went well. Should I really believe I ruined my legacy? Coming through here! What should I do? What should I do? Should I try acting?
MSNBC, the New York Times, they're all reporting that we are going into a depression.
Should I be writing this down?
And our decadent, slob-like public could care less.
What should I do? What should I tell you?
I am not a role model.
Seriously, what should I do? Should I tell you I'm a championship chaser? Did it for the money, rings? Should I be who you want me to be?
This obsession, petty. It doesn't matter what basketball team he goes to. We've got 46 states on the verge of bankruptcy, and the public doesn't care because the media has set the agenda, and they tell you to care about LeBron James and his decision, and he's playing into it and is going to announce his stupid decision. This is a distraction by design.
Maybe I should just disappear.